My name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is same fraud 3 ways: phishing, vishing, and smishing. Now, as part of my top 3 fraud risks vendors need to watch out for in 2021 and what can combat them, which if you haven't watched that webinar yet, I will link to it at the end of this video. But in that webinar, I listed vishing as one of the top 3 fraud risks. But really, what is the difference between phishing, vishing, and smishing? Well, phishing is the fraudulent practice of sending emails purporting to be from reputable companies in order to induce individuals to reveal sensitive information such as bank details and credit card numbers. Vishing, that is the fraudulent practice of making phone calls or leaving voice messages purporting to be from reputable companies in order to induce individuals to reveal sensitive information such as bank details and credit card numbers. Now, smishing is the fraudulent practice of sending text messages purporting to be from reputable companies in order to induce individuals to reveal sensitive information such as bank details and credit card numbers. So there is a running theme here. Fraudsters purporting to be from your vendor's company reach out to you and your vendor team via email, phone, or text in order to social engineer you to reveal enough of your vendor's information that they can then use for a future fraud attempt, such as attempting to change your vendor's bank account to divert legitimate vendor payments. Now, I will link to 2 blogs where I talk about how to protect your vendor team from these types of frauds, so look for that link in the description. If you would like more information on how to combat fraud, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.